All right, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Peter. This is Search Digital Dynamics. Okay, so I'm a digital marketing expert. I show you everything digital, all the hacks, how to make money online. And in this video, I want to show you step by step how you can change your Facebook page name. Okay, using your mobile phone. All right, through the Facebook app. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to find your Facebook page in your Facebook profile, and then how to change your Facebook name. Let me show you how to do that using your phone in very simple steps. So let's head down to my phone screen. Okay, to change the page name of your Facebook page using your mobile phone, just go to your Facebook account. All right, so when you are in your Facebook account, the first thing you're going to do is go to this. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so once you're there, you toggle on it, and then you can scroll down. So this is the places you can see your channel. You can see that these are pages, shortcuts. These are the pages I visited, so it has already created a shortcut for them. If you don't have that there, you can still scroll down and find pages here. Okay, so if you don't want to go there, then you can still toggle on the first yeah, you can still come back to this place here. All right, so let's go there. So now once you're here, you're going to go to, you have to switch to the page you want to change the name first. So you see I'm switching to this page, so you can see that I have switched to this page, and it says I am now acting as this page. So you're going to go to this page again here. All right, yeah, so once you're here now, you're now going to go to these settings. Yes, that settings option there. Okay, so once you're now here, you scroll down until you see page setup. Okay, so you're going to click on page setup. So now that you are in page setup, you can see other things you can do on this page, but we are interested in changing the name. So you're going to click on this view to view page name. Okay, so once you have seen it, we want to change this page name to, because we have revamped, okay, so you're now going to review. So this is how your name will appear on your profile. Okay, you can see. So in order to do this, we will now have to put the Facebook password. Okay, the password to this account, in order to save these changes. All right, okay, so let's do that. So you can now see that that name has been changed to Once you put your password, you see that your name will be changed automatically. You can see that it has changed from Surge Initiative to Surge Digital Dynamics. And you can change your name on Facebook at this time, because you haven't changed it in the last 6 days. So my last change was August 2024, so you can now see it. So that is that. All right, so before that, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, try to subscribe so that you can stay updated. All right, so I drop videos here around how to make money online, your financial tools, and some digital hacks. Okay, especially if you're a beginner, this is the channel for you. This is the time you subscribe. Thank you. See you on the next video.